Hello folks, I was going to do a short video on the startup, the cool startup sounds of the A320, and this is how it kind of starts out. We'll do ready to fly. So here we are, DFW airport. Got some planes around us, and first thing we're going to do is get some catering and baggage services started. You see the doors are open up here. And let me check how the video is looking. I think I need just a second. Okay, so and I need to drag this over here so y'all can see the catering right here. While that's going on, let's go ahead and get the jetway going. What's cool is that we can show what this looks like at night. It's really nice looking at night. It went a little bit too far. See that? Pretty cool, huh? And you can see the other flights coming in the distance if we have any yet. Alright, so the moon's out, which is cool. We got a moon out tonight. So basically we got the passengers coming on board, and there's one other item I want to pull up. And now we're going to go ahead and go to the cockpit. And we're gonna first start by turning on the batteries. So get a little more light in here real quick so we can see what we're doing, because it's pretty dark. Oops, come on baby, scoot over. Okay, so I'm gonna scoot this over, and we're gonna go ahead and start the battery 1, battery 2. And we're going to get external power. And there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the fuel pumps. Might as well get those taken care of. Before I turn on the APU, we're going to do APU test. APU fire test. And we're going to do the same for the engine fire. So we know our fire alarms are working. We have to have those working, right? So that all that test free and clear, crew oxygen. Now I'm doing an abbreviated checklist because it would take like 30 minutes and bore you to death if I went through the small stuff. All right, so we're going to turn on the APU here and here. And the APU is going to give us. You'll see out. It starts coming out. The exhaust comes out the back. Right here, you can see the exhaust as that starts revving up. Hold on. This is really hard to, there you go. You see right here, you see the exhaust. See all that wavery? That's the APU starting up. And we can hear it if we go to, let's go to this view. Alright, so waiting for this to show available. In the meantime, I can look down here, and I'm going to turn up some floodlights because I want to show you how this looks at night when we start up the plane.
Ground American Tree 4 Heavy requesting pushback.
All right,
American
so
Tree 4 Heavy pushback request accepted.
now they've already, when I set the lights, that triggered the end of the catering, the end of the baggage. Everybody's aboard. And I want to find, what am I looking for here?
Please place your carry-on items in an overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Small light weight
Okay,
items
sir.
will be
The
placed in
bypass
a
pin
seat
is
pocket.
installed. All doors and
If you
hatches
need
closed and
assistance,
all ground
please let
equipment
us
is
know.
removed.
The parking brakes are set. You may lift.
And they're
Parking
gonna.
brake set. Lifting the aircraft.
What's cool is that they actually do lift the nose. As you can see, the nose is being lifted up. That's how they really do it.
Standing by for pushback.
And we've got our pushback cart right here. And the luggage people haven't finished. There they go. Now the doors are closing. All right, so let's. The cool. Those were some really cool views. Let's get back here. Fix camera. I like some of these. Okay, so now we've got our APU available. So now I can turn on the APU bleed. There we go, and that'll get everything. That'll get our get us pressurized enough to start the air conditioning for the AC packs and get the engine started. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the rest of these lights. If y'all just hold on real quick, this will be on auto.
Flight attendants, arm doors, and cross-check.
All right. And I got to turn on some more night lights real quick. Y'all just hold on here because the best is yet to come with the engine sounds. And got that up. And we're gonna get those
Once
bright.
again, we'd like to welcome you on board. Your safety is our top priority, so we appreciate a few minutes of your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. You can follow along with the safety information card in your seatbelt
Turning up the
pocket.
brightness here.
To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal edge into the buckle and pull on the strap to tight. Release just like the top half
And
of the buckle.
of course, we're gonna get the overhead integrity lights turned on. See that get brighter for everything. All right.
Your life vest is in a
And-
pocket to your seat and instructed by the crew. Tear open the pouch, put the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Secure the buckle and pull. Shoot from both sides. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water, and remember, never place your vest inside the aircraft. This Airbus A320 is 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wing, and 2 doors in the back.
And we'll start our pushback.
All exits are clearly marked on the side overhead. If necessary, floor
We are
level
cleared
lighting
for
will
start
be
and
the
push.
top of my
Parking
exit.
brake set.
Please take a moment out of locate your close
Okay,
attention and
cleared
remember
for push
indications
start.
behind you.
Please release parking brake.
If there is a change
Parking
in
brake
cabin pressure
released.
for oxygen,
Parking
this will
brakes
drop
are
the boat
released.
ahead.
Commencing pushback. You can start the engines in sequence.
It will start in the sequence.
I will let you know when it's no longer needed.
We're going to start our engines now. Ignition and start engine 2.
Your seat back is upright, your key cable is good, and all carry items are put away. If you have any questions about the safety features of this aircraft, please don't hesitate to ask.
Yep, that's it. It's engine 2 right here.
334 Heavy requesting the end of pushback.
Pushback completed. Please set your parking brake.
Pushback received.
Roger.
Please
Pushback
cancel
canceled.
pushback operation.
Now we're going to start engine 1. get the...
Ground American 334 Heavy ready to taxi departing straight out with whiskey.
American 334 Heavy taxi to and hold short of runway 18 left via taxiway Hotel Yankee Hotel Whiskey Foxtrot. Contact tower on 126.55 when ready.
Taxi to and hold short runway 18 left using taxiway Hotel Yankee Hotel Whiskey Foxtrot American 334 Heavy.
Welcome aboard American Airlines. Please place your carry-on items in an overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Small lightweight items may be placed in the seat pocket. If you need assistance, please let us know.
Make sure both of our engines are running full capacity if they're ready for taxi. Yep, the engine's looking good. All right, folks, so we can go ahead and that's start up, and if we want, we would just go ahead and continue with the taxi. Make sure I've got all the lights ready. And so basically we've got our taxi clearance, and off we go.
Welcome aboard American Airlines Flight 20. We ask that you please direct your attention to the monitors located throughout the cabin for a brief safety message about aircraft. Your attention, please.
Welcome to your American Airlines flight.
On its way to one of more than 350 destinations.
In countries across the globe.
Made possible by our more than 130,000 dedicated team members.
Who all do it for one reason. You.
Got a plane on the left here.
That's why your safety is so
live
important
traffic.
to us.
Yeah, it's
so
a
let's
UPS
go over
there.
some in-flight instructions so that we can get you safely on your way. To buckle your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To open, lift the top of the buckle. If you're seated in the premium cabin and your seat is also equipped with a shoulder belt, fasten the belt. Buckle and pull the strap to tighten. Then fasten your shoulder belt.
I got a little fast there, didn't I?
Until you hear a click.
Oh well.
To open, simply press on the
That's what happens when you're playing with the video.
Must be worn during taxi, takeoff, and landing. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. Now, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away. Carry-ons are placed all the way under the seat in front of you.
And every airplane you see here is not artificial. It's real airplanes at their real positions, whether they're at the airport gate or whether like this one that's on the runway that looks like we're not going to be number 2 in line.
U.S. law prohibits smoking, including e-cigarettes, at any time. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the laboratory.
Let me stop real quick. I want to look at, yep, he's already on the move, this one here behind us.
Now let's review the safety card in your seat pocket, which explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This aircraft is designed with escape path light on or near the floor. In the unlikely event of an evacuation, leave all carry-ons behind and follow the lights quickly. Take a moment to locate the nearest one. Evacuation slides to use in the unlikely event of an emergency. In a water evacuation, slides may be used as life rafts. You'll find the exact location on your safety card. Jump onto the airplane. drop automatically. While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, hold down on the mask or the red streamer to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, and put the elastic band over your head. Then pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Remember to always put your own mask on first before helping others. Life vests are located under, next to, or between your seat. For help locating them, see your safety card. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. Remove the vest from the package like this. Put the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest. Use water to highlight the vest and pull back. If necessary, apply vest location to the left. Safety pouches have It's our honor to care for you on your journey. If you have any questions, please refer to the safety card or feel free to ask any of the cabin crew as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's anything we can do to make your journey more enjoyable. American Airlines. We fly so you can soar.
Well, they're really taking us for a ride, man. Like the other side of the airport or something. Now, real quick, if I go external, you'll see the other airplanes. The airport's pretty active right now. It's 10 o'clock at night. And that's why we're seeing some traffic where I usually record at 4 or 5 a.m. because of my late sleep habits. And there's not as much traffic around. Okay, that's right our runway now. Oops, I wasn't supposed to cross that.
FBW Tower American Tree 4 Heavy at runway 18 left ready for departure, straight out departure.
American Tree 4 Heavy altimeter 29.902, wind 267 at tree.
Right.
Departing straight out approved.
All right,
Clear for
now.
takeoff runway 18 left.
And
Cleared for takeoff runway 18 left American Tree 4 Heavy.
I'm just going to do a quick departure, and I guess that'll be it. We'll just get our we're going to get our traffic collision avoidance system on right here, and we're going to get all warnings, and we're going to mode C comes on, and we do need our flaps set at 15 degrees, so you'll see that real quick. Here we go. See them coming down a little bit? Okay. And last thing we can do is check our eCam page. Get that brightness before we go. There's I can show you a lot of stuff like the bleed information. You can hit all these panels here. Every one of these. The door, the electric, everything works in this simulator like the real plane. Fuel, but takeoff configuration right here, this will tell me if, oh, you know what, we didn't do the ADIRs. Hold on, that was a pretty important thing that I didn't do because I'm not really being too careful with the checklist. Here we go. Sorry folks, these ADIRs need to come on. And now if you notice in real, when y'all fly for real, the plane will get real quiet right before takeoff, and you'll see what I'm talking about. They want to put all the power to the engines, so they'll turn off the engine bleed. So we got engine bleed off. That way all the power goes to the engines instead of the air conditioning. See how quiet it got? The air conditioning is not on, but not all airlines do that. Okay, We'll just go ahead and get in position and hold. Parking brake release. Oh, we just got a plane off to our left that just taxied around. Oh, he's coming. He's looking to take off behind us. That's live traffic. That's a UPS. I don't know what happened to his paint colors. It's usually modeled, and there is an Airbus landing right here off in the distance. And DFW, notice it says DFW here. This one came from Miami. This other one over here that's landing, flight is 3163 Miami. Of course, this is a DFW. Now I wonder if this guy's going to come up on me. I don't think so. Let's see what he does. He's going to... But it would be cool.
DFW Tower UPS 765, ready for departure runway 18 left IFR to Standiford.
See, that's this guy.
UPS 765, hold short runway 18 left. Traffic is Airbus A20N on the runway.
See, they're in real life, they're holding this UPS plane up because we're on the runway. No, I'm just kidding. That is a real plane, a real UPS, but that's not a real communication.
UPS 765.
I think this UPS will probably come behind it. Well, it is in real life there, but I think once we get to this point, the game will not allow it to move its real position until I take off. And let's just get with it. Ouch. All right, so we'll come up on the power. Off, brakes off.
UPS 765, line up and wait. Line up and wait, UPS 765.
towards the airport.
To prepare for landing, please close your tray table and put away carry-on items. Place your seat in the original upright position. We will now collect any items you wish to discard. Please put away larger electronic devices, including laptop computers.
Flight attendants, please prepare for landing.
For smaller handheld devices in your hand or seat pocket. Devices must remain in airplane mode until after we land. We will be landing soon.
On 132.85. Good day. Select 132.85 American Tree Tree for Heavy. Airport Center American Tree Tree for Heavy 7,500 feet. Southwest 165, you are 25 miles southeast. Descend and maintain 2,500 feet. Expect vectors ILS runway, tree 1 left approach. American Tree Tree 4 Heavy, Fort Worth, center altimeter 29.9, 2 continue as planned. American Tree Tree 4 Heavy, contact regional approach on 125.2. Good day. Descend and maintain 2,500 feet. Expect vectors ILS runway, tree 1 left approach, southwest 165. Going to 125.2 American Tree Tree 4 Heavy. Regional approach American
Look at all that traffic. See all those red lights out there? That's DFW, man. That's it's getting real busy right now. And that, again, as I always say, that is live traffic. Those are real planes on the taxiways. That's mostly planes on the taxiways. We're going to come in for a landing.
Regional approach southwest 165 is passing 4,100 feet, descending 2,500 feet. Southwest tree 120, you are 15 miles north. Climb and maintain 7,900 feet.
Watch my airspeed real quick.
Runway, tree 1 right approach.
290, man. We're coming burning it up, man.
Approach altimeter 29.
We gotta slow this down. Let's get some gear now.
Southwest 165, you are 18 miles southeast of Dallas Love. Maintain present heading and altitude. Contact tower on 12.3.7. Climb and maintain 7,900 feet. Expect vectors ILS runway, tree 1 right approach, southwest tree 120.
I'm gonna do a little slip technique to get us to lose some altitude.
Present heading and altitude. Tower on 12.3.7 southwest 165.
Just, you know, it's hard to get down once you get too high. And this is what, in real life, if they have to, they can do this, but they usually don't have to because they're set up from a long ways out. Yeah, look at all those airplanes, man. There's so many out there.
American Tree Tree 4 Heavy, contact regional approach on 119.
I kind of want to overfly so y'all can see those planes. We'll do a little bit of a low
119
overpass.
decimal for American Tree Tree 4 Heavy. Regional approach American Tree Tree 4 Heavy, 4,200 feet.
American Tree Tree 4 Heavy regional approach altimeter 29.92. Continue as planned.
Yeah, it'd be cool to do an overpass for y'all so y'all can see that. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Instead of land, I'm just going to fly over and let y'all see the overview there. Airspeed starting to get a little too low, so get a little more power in there.
1,000.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention. That's all right. We'll just pull out of this a little bit. Just want to show y'all the airport view. We'll just bypass it and see all those planes on the left side. Look at all those planes getting ready to taxi. All that. These are all real-time flights. Flying right over DFW. This side of the airport's real busy, man. Look at all those planes, my goodness. Alright, let me get out here so I can line up for a landing. Just wanted to show you all how many planes are out there. I'm already pretty low, so I don't have to go out too far to come back in for a landing. Alright, I think we can turn it in now. Alright, let's land on this runway right below us here now. I'm gonna have to really, let's go on this longer one. Alright, we flew a little past it, but we're okay. You really have to stay ahead of these planes. They don't move real quickly to your reactions.
500. 400. 300.
'Pull up! Pull up! Pull up!
40. 20. 10. 5.
Okay, reverse thrusters. Put our flaps up. Put our slats back down. Oh, put on too much brake there. And we're gonna take this taxiway right here. And we're gonna go back up to the parking gate. Nobody's taken off because we're about to cross the runway. I didn't get a clearance to taxi in. Oh well. Can't see much. I might get a little sunlight here a little bit. There we go. Which way do I want to go? Oh boy. Let's see here. Hell, I don't know. Let's just go left. Huh? We have a gate if I go left. Let's see what kind of gate. Yeah, we got a gate. Let's do this gate next to this plane. Almost looks like where we departed from. Looks like the same airline. Find the where is that line that leads up to where we need to be? Here we go. Let's creep a little bit to the right. Okay. Did that go far enough? Yeah. Should be good enough. I didn't do the best parking job. I didn't park close enough. See what happens? That's on this bad. That's my bad. Oh well. Okay, so then we just shut down. It's pretty cool, the noises you get when you shut down. So I'm just gonna turn off the fuel pumps first. I didn't get to get the integrity lights. Hold on. Well, that's already on. How come these lights are not? I don't know what's happened there. I've got the lights on, but they're not working right. Okay, I think they're right here. Fuel pump. Alright, I'm just gonna do it this way. Fuel pumps. Oh, off, 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 off.
Landing times for here, Norris. The aft doors are disarmed.
The doors are verified?
Baggage and catering will still come up. I don't know how passengers are going to get on the jetway, but that's no problem. They can jump, right? They can just jump. All right, and what we got to do now is batteries off. Nope, can't see because I'm not sure why the lights aren't working like they should. Okay, battery off, sternal power off, battery off. And that's our flight, folks. Total time 11 minutes. Well, I thought it'd be much longer than that, but all right. Let me. The music's kind of cool. I gotta let that play. I gotta let the music play a little bit. Isn't that cool? Gotta let it play just a little longer. Just gotta get you in the right mood. Isn't that awesome? Like, that's just really cool music, period. What a way to end the flight, huh? Alright, that's good enough. I'll cut off the video now.